These 3 essential steps will allow for you to step out of your comfort zone and go against your natural instinct, which can give you the power to attract anything more money. Here is an in-depth look at each of the 3 money attractors factors that you should commit to memory today, so that you will be able to achieve success, attract money, as quickly as possible. Secret 1. Gratitude. Though it may seem like a rather strange concept, having the ability to be grateful can enable you to become wealthy in every aspect of your life. So, regardless of how bad things might seem at the present moment, set down this book for just a moment and start being grateful for at least one positive thing in your life. Each and every one of us has something to be grateful about. Secret 2. Giving. You may find it odd that giving would be mentioned on a list of key things that you need to do when trying to attract wealth, but it's here for a very important reason. The key to receiving is giving. Whether we are talking about an individual, a company, or even a government, we all must give in order to receive what we truly need or want. The ones that give the most are also the ones who receive the most. When you meet a wealthy, successful person, chances are that they have given a great deal in order to get to where they are today. They have focused on giving, in fact, rather than taking. Secret 3. Make a difference. Try to give away 10% of what you earn each month, or as much as you can spare. Give it to someone who needs it more, such as a poverty-stricken individual or a charity. Give as much as you can as often as you can, so that you can get more in return. Remember that the idea is giving more to receive more. You can select plan below, http://bit.ly/beliefs-law of attraction. I attached link below description. And follow it. If you enjoy this video, please like and subscribe for more, or share to help more people. Thank you so much.